Hey everyone, welcome back. Thank you for joining me for another video. All right, so today's video is going to be a little bit different. I was actually recording this the other day on yesterday, during my home workshops that I was doing. So I decided to record my demo for the students. So that is what you are seeing here, and hence why I am doing a voiceover. So I'll talk a little bit throughout the video, but then there'll also be some music in between. I hope you enjoy it, and I will be right back as I flood my canvas. And although you can't hear it, I'm explaining to the students what I am doing. I am basically skimming my spatula over the black paint. That is the best way that I can describe how I flood my canvas and make sure it is evenly distributed on the canvas. Keeping the spatula basically flat, not on an angle or anything like that. It's basically flat as I skim across. So that's something you guys actually don't get to see in real time when I'm doing my other videos. But yeah, I'm loving the spatula, OXO brand. It's an omelet turning spatula. You can find it on Amazon, on my Amazon shop, with the link in the description below. I'm going to take this time to remind you all that I will be attending an incredible event this August. It is PourCon. That is happening August 6th through 9th in Las Vegas. I'm super excited. There's going to be 22 YouTube artists attending. It is going to be so much fun. There's going to be 3 keynote speakers as well, and lunch and learns and all kinds of fun things happening. If you are interested and want information, you can go to PourCon.com. That info is listed in the description below with the link. It is going to be a fantastic event. I am literally counting down the days, you guys. I cannot wait to go to Vegas and see old faces and meet new faces like Shelly from Australia, Fiona from Slovenia, Karen from Waterfall Acrylics. These are all new faces I have not met and seen, and I cannot wait to meet all these new people and see my old friends. So if you are interested, come and see us in Las Vegas. All right. So back to the painting. Right now, I am explaining to my students that you have to make sure your edges are nice and wet before you start your blowout. What happens if you don't pay attention to your sides and they're dry? Like, as you can see in the video there on the end, there's white canvas showing. You've got to make sure that those are covered and has a nice coat of paint, because what happens when you blow out your colors and the paint goes over the edge, if you have a dry spot on your canvas on the side around the edges, when you blow that paint over, the paint is going to stop dead in its tracks. It will not flow over nicely and run down the side of your canvas and, continue that nice pretty pattern. If your canvas is dry on the edge, then the paint will stop. It will not continue the nice flow. So keep that in mind. And whatever you do, do not rub your fingers across the edges to make sure it is covered. I like to do what I call is dab. As you can see, I'm dabbing, making sure all the white part of the canvas is covered. Okay. All right. So let's do colors here. The first color I'm using right here is Antique Copper by FolkArt. Now, the colors I'm using are the exact same colors I did just a few videos ago when I did that pendulum swing using Cole's pendulum kit. And before I forget, the color I'm using right now is Garnet by DecoArt. The next color, I might as well tell you all the colors. The next color is Titanium Buff Light by Amsterdam. Then I'm doing 24 Karat Gold by DecoArt. Then Copper by Amsterdam. and then light rose by Amsterdam. So those are the colors, which will also be listed in the description below. So as I was saying, when I did that pendulum swing with the 24 karat gold over my Dutch pour, I had a lot of people comment on that. Lots of good comments and some bad comments, which is fine. To each their own. I get it. Everyone has an opinion, and I'm totally fine with that. So on TikTok, this video is going viral. Last I checked, it had over 800,000 hits and views. But the amount of negativity on TikTok is insane. You ruined it with the yellow, lines. You ruined it. I don't like it. It was good until you did the little lines and this and that. And, so I decided to do another painting just like it, same colors, and I will not do a pendulum swing over it, just so that I can show you guys what it looks like without it. So, you can't please everyone, but it is what it is, right? So that is why I decided to do these colors again, so that I can have a video and show you guys what this looks like without putting a pendulum swing and lines and whatever you want to call it on top of it. All right, so here I am. I just torched all the bubbles, and then I'm going to stop talking now, and you guys can watch the blowout. All right, so I'm done with the blowout, and as you can see here, I am touching up my edges. So if you watch my videos, and when I tell you guys at the end, I say, oh, all right, I'm gonna touch up my edges and I'll be back for a close-up. This is what I'm doing. I basically take my either black or white paint or whatever color my base is, and I literally add another bead of paint along the edges where it's just black, and I touch up the edges, because what happens is the edges on the side are dry or drying compared to where the sides are that have color on it. So you've got to make sure that the black or white, if you're doing a white base, has the same paint consistency, and I'm trying to explain, it's got to look the same, okay? So I always do, just as you're seeing, a bead of black across. And what I'm doing, you like that little hand there on the right? That's my student. That's funny. But I'm dabbing. I'm not rubbing. Do not rub, okay? Dab away. So again, I'm taking my squeeze bottle. I'm adding a bead of black paint just along the top edge there. and then I take my finger and I dab the sides. And then as you can see, if there's black paint on the table, I can also use the black paint, just scoop it up with my finger, and then I dab the sides. I never ever rub, okay? Just keep that in mind and dab. And I do that wherever there is black, okay? And it's super duper important. You see that little part I'm doing there? That's black. Yep, even that needs fixing. All of it needs to get fixed so that it all looks the same along the sides, right? When the paint flows over and the colors flowed over the side, it's got to look the same. All right, and then here I'm going to do 2 quick close-ups like I always do. So, you know, close-up with the lights on and then a close-up with the flash. And there you have it, my friends. This is a 16 by 20 inch canvas. If anyone is interested in purchasing it, it is available. You can email me at kanellaciraco@gmail.com. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little different video. You know, the voiceover, it was short, quick, but look at that shimmer. Gotta love the shimmer. I'd like to know, do you guys want to see this painting done on a white base? I've done it in black. Wonder what it would look like with a white base using the same colors. Let me know in the comments below, not description. Let me know in the comments below if you want to see this done on a white base. Until next time, my friends, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day, have a good night, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.